Hi, this is Jay. Welcome to my dollland. This video is fairy castle puff unboxing, and this puff has 10 skin color. I personally think this 10 is pretty good, and it's different with the 10 color of True Love dolls. You will see the comparison at the end of this video. I'm doing the next doll project right now, and you will see 3 boys together in the next video. This project is inspired from BTS, and there are some items I have finished so far. They will meet you next week. Let's wait and see.